Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you 3 popular starter plants. This is a Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. It's from Madagascar. And it's a popular plant because it has very long-lasting blooms. This is white and this is red. And we have a hot pink or bright pink and yellow, and we also have orange. So they come in multiple colors. They grow to roughly about 8 to 12 inches tall to about 6 to 8 inches wide, and they have multiple offsets. They have pretty green glossy leaves. These are great in a container, or you can mix it up with other succulents. This prefers filtered light, not full sun, outdoors, water once a week. It can be placed inside near a window and water about once or twice a month. The second starter plant is a Pachypodium lameri, or a Madagascar palm. Now they grow to about 6 feet tall when it's fully mature, and they have multiple branches. They have pretty white flowers, but it has to be more mature to have the white flowers. I'll show you here. This is what it looks like when it gets a lot taller. Prefers bright light, outdoors, and water about once a week. The last one I wanted to show you is an Adenium obesum, or desert rose. These are pretty colors here. This is called bicolor. This is from South Africa, and they also have white flowers as well. Let me show you the white flower. See, they almost look like plumeria shape. I have several videos on the Adenium obesum desert rose, and I'll put the link to those videos in the description below. The Adenium obesum, or the desert rose, they can grow quite slowly in the container. You can make it into a bonsai and put it in a nice container that's very shallow, so you can stage this plant, or you can keep it in a nice deep pot. The desert rose does best when it's in bright light, outdoors, and water about once a week. Thank you for watching.